Hi everyone, again I'm come back with one of the interesting online course, and today I'll discuss about the best YouTube marketing courses. These all the courses are online and they are the free plus they are the paid. Some of the courses are paid, and if you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, let's get started. So our first course is a complete digital marketing course. Here this is a comprehensive YouTube marketing course, and here you will can take the training, quizzes, and practical tasks you can take. And this course is all talks about the Google AdWords, is analytics, and YouTube marketing. Facebook marketing and many more like the email promotions, copywriting, SEO, and LinkedIn marketing, app promotions, Facebook ads or Google Analytics or Google AdWords. And this course is for the pre-launch business entrepreneurs who wants to ensure about where they wants to begin their business or where they want to start their marketing. They can definitely go and check out the course, and anyone who wishing to enhance their resume, they can also go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. It's a certification course. After completing this course you can get the certificate. So our second course is a Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube marketing course. This course is a marketing as you go through the YouTube marketing specialization course, and in this course you will assist with your better comparing heading and constantly changing the environment and difficulties marketers, and you will learn the topics like the LinkedIn and social sellings, YouTube social media marketing, and Twitter marketing, and you can how you can create your YouTube channel, how you can recognize the relevance of the YouTube and the social videos to internet marketing, and creating the compiling YouTube advertising strategies, how you can apply on your channel or your own business channel. And this course is highly recommended to for anybody who are looking for to learn about the advance and their knowledge to the YouTube marketing and or social commerce or social media strategies. They want to apply their own business or someone else business for they are working at, they can definitely go for this. So our third course is digital marketing masterclass course. Here you will learn all about you need to YouTube marketing. Are not seeking the comprehensive course all the subjects, but this course here will teach you about the YouTube, it's video marketing or podcasting or branding or Google Ads or Google Analytics or search engine optimizations or copywriting. And this course will discovers how you use the hundreds of tested digital marketing techniques, and you can how can expand your company. You will learn how to use the YouTube marketing on all the major social media sites. And this course is highly exclusive for the bloggers, YouTubers, or business owners who are users of social media and they're totally depending on the social media. They can definitely check out this course, and anyone can looking who are run their own marketing without spending a money, a single rupee on any other things. They can definitely go for this course. Go and check out. So our next course is a YouTube marketing full course. It's on the Simplilearn, and here you will learn to create your content or mobile marketing or web analytic or few keys areas covered in a digital marketing certified associated. And this course will teach you about all the things like the Google Analyst and Google Ads, YouTube marketing, SEO, SEM. And here you will also learn like the digital marketing executive tools or Google Analytics. And here you will learn like the topics acquire the practical experience by working on the project that you use the Google Analyst or Google Ads or Facebook marketing. And this course is exclusive for the marketing managers or digital marketing specialists or marketing consultants and marketing or sales professionals or entrepreneurs. Anyone can learn who are just a beginners for the YouTube marketing in a YouTube in a social media site. They can definitely go for this. So our next video is a YouTube. Next course is a YouTube marketing course. Grow your business with YouTube. in this course you all taught about how you can grow your own business with the help of your the YouTube. And this course will teach you like the topics like how you can video marketing functions and six methods to using YouTube to build your marketing funnel, and to advertise your company to the YouTube and making the videos, and find out what kind of videos to produce your audience and what kind of videos your audience were liking. And you can learn how you can launch your YouTube channel, how you can place your YouTube advertisements on the channels or the videos you arrival, and how you can improve your videos. And this course is exclusively for the YouTubers who wants to expand their own brand or own company with the help of YouTube, or the small company owners or online instructors who have a side hustles. They can definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link. So our next course is YouTube Academy course. Is complete beginner course for beginner to the pro step by step course. Here you will start from the scratch to develop the successful YouTube channel. How you can fast to increase your YouTube following and your audience or your traffic on the YouTube channel. How you can get the maximize your earnings, and how you can rank your videos and more people may view on your content. How you can choose the subject for your channel, and how you can create the channel for the post videos step by step. How you can make the things discoverable, such as titles, keywords, or thumbnails. The whole course no, cover all the step by step process to how you can make the YouTube successful YouTube channel. Like this course is exclusive for the YouTubers who starting off, and each and every aspect of YouTubers, and how you can owners can attractive YouTube channel looking for expand more quickly. This course is completely a beginner course from to the pro level course. So our last course is 100. It's a YouTube marketing course. How you can get the more views on the YouTube, and here this course is all teach about the experts, marketers can obtain the more views. How can get the more views and subscribers or leads or customer by video marketing, and seeking all the course all about the marketing structures, and explain all the utilized videos on the YouTube to develop your own company or your own channel. This course topics covered in this course like YouTube algorithm, YouTube marketing strategies or SEOs, and is also teach the followings like the you will learn like followings how you utilize your videos YouTube to develop your company, or algorithm generate the traffics or views or subscribers. You can get the YouTuber trainings also. And you this course especially for the people who are budding and establish their YouTubers who have the at least 10,000 followers on their channel, and they wants to gain more views. They can definitely go. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.